Hello and welcome to the walk around stock update here at your next car of the stunning G20 320i Xdrive M Sport. So the vehicle was previously featured on the same alloy wheels, which are the optional extra 19-inch alloys. However, we've had the alloys now professionally refurbished in the gloss black, which ties in very nicely with that Alpine white. And of course, if you do want a full in-depth walk around video, up in the top right hand corner will now appear a link to the video, and also down in the description as well. So as you can see, those 19-inch alloys really working very nicely with not only the exterior colour alongside the full Your Next Car the vehicle also has. Down the side we've of course also got those frozen black YA69BXZ Mperformance side vinyls, and of course the gloss black aero blades. It comes with sun protection glazing. Of course, being a rare Xdrive 320i as well, it's also a very nice favoured feature. Black Vernasca leather. And in the rear, you do of course get a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest, beautiful darkened M Sport headlining, and again we'll show you how nice these alloys really look now. Round onto the other side, of course being a G20 Model 3 series, we've got those fantastic 3-dimensional rear lights, and there you can see that Xdrive badge. Rear facing reversing camera. Round onto the other side, again you can see how clean and tidy this vehicle is, and as I've mentioned, in the full walk around video, I go into a huge amount of detail on this absolutely fantastic example of a G20 320i M Sport Xdrive. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this stock update. And of course, don't forget that all of the contact information, should you want to get in touch with ourselves, can be found down in the description, along with a link to our website, where of course you can view not only this example of a stunning G20 3 series here at Your Next Car, but along with all of our other amazing examples. Thanks once again. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.